If you are heading out on a day hike, it's a good idea to take a reliable pair of binoculars with you. There are dozens of ways you can use them. You can get a closer look at an interesting bird, or use them to take in the beauty of the natural landscape from a lookout. When you're done, you should be able to slide them back into your bag and get back to hiking. There are many products available to choose from. Best compact binoculars for hiking, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best compact binoculars for hiking from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Celestron Nature DX Binoculars. If you are looking for a beginner-friendly model, the Celestron Nature DX 8x32 is a good choice. It includes everything that you need to get started. There is an neck strap, lens cloth, carrying case, and an eyepiece rain guard. You'll even get an instruction manual that talks you through the basics of using binoculars. The optics are impressive. The lenses are coated. This allows you to get more contrast and help brighten images. The 8x magnification will offer an impressive resolution. Plus, you won't need to pay a fortune for these binoculars. Despite the low price tag, they will be able to handle the rigors of hiking. The body will be watertight, so you don't need to worry about it getting wet. The lens cloth makes it easy to protect your binoculars from dust. Number 2. Bushnell Legacy WP. The Bushnell Legacy WP is considered one of the best binoculars on the market. It has an impressive 22x magnification. This makes it a good choice for birdwatching, allowing you to watch the animals from a distance without the chance of spooking them. The optics are fully multi-coated, so you'll be able to enjoy a clear view, even in dark conditions. Plus, Bushnell has been building high-quality binoculars for years, becoming one of the most trusted brands in this space. Because of this extensive experience, they have learned how to make highly durable binoculars. They are waterproof and fog-proof. You can fully submerge them in water and they will be able to survive. Plus, they are shock-proof. Because of this, they come with a limited lifetime warranty. There are a few other premium features that you can expect with the Bushnell Legacy WP. These include twist-up eye cups and the central focusing system. Plus, when you get to your campsite, you'll be able to use it with a tripod. Number 3. Bushnell Marine. If you are looking for a more high-tech version of the Bushnell Legacy WP, the Bushnell Marine 7x50 might be a good option. This comes with fully multi-coated lenses and back 4 prisms. Because of this, you can expect exceptional clarity. Because these are marine binoculars, they are built to withstand harsh seas. They are fully waterproof, you'll be able to submerge them in water, and they'll keep working. Plus, the binoculars have a rubber coating, so you'll be able to keep a firm grip even if it's raining. However, 2 of the most unique features are the built-in compass and rangefinder. This can come in useful on a hiking trip, allowing you to navigate by map. The downside, though, is that the strap can be a little uncomfortable, particularly if you are planning on using it on a long hiking trip. Number 4. Sea Eagle Eye Compact Binoculars. There are many reasons why you might want to take a pair of binoculars on a hiking trip. Sometimes, you might want to get a closer look at landmarks from lookouts. Or you might want to use it for birdwatching. But if you want to take pictures to remember your trip, the Sea Eagle Eye Compact Binoculars 12x32 might be the ideal choice for you. This is because it comes with a phone adapter. Simply attach your phone and adjust the focus on the binoculars. This will allow you to get the perfect shot. Of course, you don't need to have a phone attachment to take pictures with your smartphone. This article describes how you can make one with household items. It should be noted that you don't always need to take the pictures yourself. You can use a drone to get aerial shots. As long as you set the GPS data, it will fly along the path. If this sounds like a cool way to record your hiking experiences, check out this list of GPS drones. Number 5. Living Squat Kids Binoculars. Adults aren't the only ones who love to use binoculars to learn more about nature on hiking trips. Kids will also love to get a new perspective on the world around them. If this is the case, they might love to use the Living Squat Kids 8x21 pair of binoculars. It has been designed with children in mind. It has a rubber coating to make them easier to hold. Plus, there is a strap that will go around their necks. It's wide, so it won't snap and will be fairly comfortable to wear. But if they do drop the binoculars, it won't be a major problem. They are shockproof. They are also fairly easy to use. The eye cups are larger than many of the competitors. This helps make the binoculars more comfortable for children to use. Plus, there is a simple focus wheel. The smaller size means that it will be easier for them to hold the binoculars in their hands. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.